Good afternoon, this is Megan Lambeth, your Richmond County Tourism Director with This Week in Richmond. We are here at Cole Auditorium where tonight Highwaymen Live will take stage with a performance to tribute country legends Waylon Jennings, Johnny Cash, and Willie Nelson. The show starts at 7:30 p.m. and there are still some seats available. If you see this video before the performance time tonight, you can call the box office 910-410-1691, visit their website for Cole Auditorium, or you can purchase tickets tonight at the time of the showing, 7:30 p.m. at the box office right behind me. In addition to the Highwaymen performance tonight, there will be a trivia night in Hamlet at Axe to Grind, and the normal lineup at our other spots, Double Vision and the Lounge in Strikers Bowling Alley will also have their 9-ball tournament for Double Vision and drink specials Thirsty Thursday at the Lounge and also at Ymir Tavern in Hamlet. Tomorrow night, Friday, February 17th, there will be live music in town at Hudson Brothers downtown Rockingham with the Beach Fever Band. At Double Vision, they will have karaoke with DJ Eric Whitfield. In Ellerby at Millstone 4-H Camp, they will have an event titled Something is Rotten in the State of North Carolina. You can find out more information on their event on their Facebook page or website. And in Hamlet at Buie's Cotton Gin and Restaurant, they will have a night of romance with live jazz music and delicious steak dinner. Also on Friday, there will be an adult game night, Cards Against Humanity at Bisque in Hamlet. During the day tomorrow, there will be a fundraiser for Shannon Pankey that will be at Rockingham Fire Department in downtown Rockingham. If you purchase tickets in advance, you can pick up those plates in a drive-through from 11 a.m. until 2 p.m. On Saturday, February the 18th, there will be a WCEW wrestling event at Richmond County Rescue Squad, and there will be more live music with local favorite Justin Anderson performing at Double Vision. In Hamlet at Hail Mary's Tavern, they will have Bowtie Karaoke. Monday, February 20th is President's Day, and on Wednesday, February 22nd, Camp Haven returns to Richmond County Hospice off Highway 1 in Rockingham. This is a grief camp for children that will be from 8:30 until 3 p.m. Go ahead and mark your calendars for next Thursday, 1 week from today. Go ahead and mark your calendars for 1 week from today, February 23rd. Richmond County Chamber of Commerce will host a Business After 5 event at Honey Bee Bridal and Boutique in Rockingham starting at 5:30. For more information on these events and other events here in Richmond County, go to our website, visit richmondcounty.com. Find our Google Calendar at the bottom of the homepage. Also follow us on Facebook, visit Richmond County, on Instagram, Richmond Tourism. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, visit Richmond County NC. And we will see you hopefully tonight here at Cole Auditorium. We'll definitely see you.